When it comes to choosing the right hosting platform, scalability is one of the key factors you need to consider. So, in this video, we're diving into the question, Hostwinds versus HostPapa, which offers better scalability. Stay tuned as we'll be comparing both options and helping you decide which one is more suited for growing your business. First up, let's talk about Hostwinds. Hostwinds is known for offering high-performance hosting with a focus on flexibility, which is crucial for scaling. Whether you're just starting out or growing quickly, Hostwinds offers both cloud and VPS hosting, which allows you to scale your resources easily. Their cloud hosting is highly customizable, giving you the ability to choose the CPU, RAM, and storage that best fits your needs. This flexibility means you can adjust as your business grows without facing unnecessary limitations. Next thing we need to consider is HostPapa. HostPapa also offers scalable options, primarily through its VPS and cloud hosting plans. However, while they are customizable, the flexibility isn't quite as extensive as Hostwinds. HostPapa is great for those looking for a more straightforward hosting experience, but may not be the best choice for those who need very specific scalability features. Their cloud hosting solutions come with options for scalability, but users might find the configuration process a little less intuitive compared to Hostwinds. The third thing to consider is performance and uptime. Scalability isn't just about how easily you can increase your resources, but how well those resources perform as you scale. Hostwinds generally has a strong reputation for uptime and performance, making it a solid choice for businesses that need reliability as they grow. They use SSDs, which help speed up your website's load time, and their servers are located in key regions, which reduces latency. On the flip side, HostPapa's performance is decent, but not always consistent. Some users report slower speeds during peak usage times, which can be an issue for scaling your business, especially when traffic spikes. Now, let's talk about pricing. Hostwinds offers very competitive pricing for their scalable plans, especially when you look at the value you get for the price. Their cloud hosting and VPS options start with affordable base prices, and you only pay for the resources you need. HostPapa's pricing is also competitive, but they tend to bundle features in their higher tier plans, which may not be ideal if you're only looking for scalability and don't need the extra bells and whistles. Next thing is support. As your business scales, having reliable support is critical. Hostwinds shines in this area. They offer 24/7 live chat and phone support, ensuring you can get assistance whenever needed. HostPapa does have 24/7 support as well, but some users report that it's not always as responsive or helpful, especially for more complex issues related to scaling. The fourth thing is ease of use. HostPapa is designed with beginners in mind. Their interface is user-friendly, and scaling your plan is relatively simple through their dashboard. On the other hand, Hostwinds provides more robust features, but it might take a bit more technical know-how to take full advantage of their scalability options. If you're not very tech-savvy, this could be a learning curve. So, to summarize, both Hostwinds and HostPapa offer scalable hosting solutions, but they each come with their own set of pros and cons. Hostwinds offers more flexibility, better performance, and more competitive pricing for scaling, but it may require a bit more technical knowledge. HostPapa is great for simplicity and has solid options for scalability, but it might not give you the same level of customization or performance during peak times. Now, both of these options are solid, but after trying all of them myself, I recommend considering a different alternative if scalability is your primary concern. If you want something that truly excels in scalability with all the benefits mentioned and more, I highly suggest you take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers, and it's a great way to start scaling your business without the limitations you might face with Hostwinds or HostPapa. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial below.